This 1978 Camaro has been completely restored. Everything, the inside, the outside, all of it is brand new. It has a balanced and blueprinted 450 Ford. It's got upgraded suspension. It's been sanded down, bare metal, and repainted. Listen to this thing. This car is better than it was when it came off the showroom floor in 1978. Everything in it has been taken out, replaced, or restored. The carpet, the seats, it's got an updated dash, vintage air conditioning, Hurst 4-speed shifter. Everything, even the doors, close like a new car. This is one nice car. Give me a call at 469-347-9298.